Hey everyone, welcome back to another problem for your CAT 2026 mixture and alligation topic. This is a very similar problem to the one that we solved in the previous video, which is this one. So if you have not watched this problem, I would recommend you to watch this problem first and then come to this question. Solve it for yourself by pausing this video and then verify the answer from the video. Okay, so I hope you must have tried this question. Go through this question once, try it for yourself and then watch the video. So let us solve this question now. The question says a person travels 285 kilometers in 6 hours. He travels by bus at 40 km per hour and by train at 55 km per hour. What is the distance traveled by the person by bus and train? Okay, so he has traveled, there's a person who's going somewhere, he's taking two modes of transportation, bus and train. He travels some distance by bus, he travels some distance by train. Both of them are traveling at a different speed. You need to find what is the distance that is has traveled by bus and what is the distance he has traveled by train. This would be solved in the similar manner in which we solved the question that I've solved above by taking the entire distance to be traveled by one medium only. Okay, so let us do this in the similar manner, and you will solve this problem in a minute. You can solve this problem in a minute. Okay, so let's solve it. So let's say we'll make two assumptions. First assumption is entire distance is traveled by bus. Okay, so if it's traveling the entire distance by bus, the bus travels at a speed of 40 kilometers per hour, right? We know that distance is equals to speed into time, right? So speed is 40 and time taken is 6 hours. So if I mean, this is the assumption that we're making. If he would have traveled by a bus the entire route, then he would have covered 40 into 6, which is 240 kilometers. Okay, if the person would have traveled by train only, then again distance is speed into time. In that case, speed of the train is 55, time is constant 6 hours. If we solve this, we get 330 kilometers. Okay, now this is an assumption that we are making. If let's say there was no bus involved, only train was involved, then the person could have traveled 330 kilometers. If there was no train involved and there was only bus involved, he would have taken only bus as his commuting transport, then he would have traveled 240 kilometers. But how much the person has actually traveled? He has traveled 285 kilometers. That means he has taken both of these mediums in some ratio, right? And we don't know what that ratio is. We'll find that out. So we'll use the alligation tree chart. We'll write 240 here, that is by bus. By train, we'll write 330 kilometers over here, and the average is 285 that he has traveled actually. Now using the crisscross method, subtracting 330 from 285, we get 45. Subtracting 285 from 240, we get 45 again. So this is 1:1. That means the time that he has traveled in train is equivalent to what he has traveled in the bus, right? So that means he has traveled for 6 hours. So in train he has traveled for 3 hours, since our ratio is 1:1, and in bus he has traveled for 3 hours. So distance traveled in the bus would be 40 into 3, which is 120, and over here 55 into 3, or I can subtract 285 from 120, I get 165 kilometers. Okay, so these are our answers. A very simple problem. I hope you liked this video. Please do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you so much.